Hello guys, it's Felix. Today I'm showing you how to finish your Yoonla setup and to actually start making money. Once you put your name and email address, then you go to your email and confirm your account. You will come to such a page. I believe all of you at this point have such a page. So to finish setting up your account, you have to finish step 1 all the way to step 7. The good thing is that if you click on every step, there's a video to guide you. For example, if you click on step 1, a video will appear here to guide you. So such a video will appear here to guide you. All you'll have to do is to click play, see what the video is saying, and do exactly what the instructor says in the video. So as I've said, you'll do step 1 all the way to step 7. In step 2, you will create an automation account. It's called a get response account. It will cost $15. And in step 4, you will create a Yahoo small business account. It will cost $53. But make sure you use the coupon code special in the last stage as you are creating this account. Use the coupon code special. That will bring the cost down to $53. So in total you will be paying $15 plus $53, that is $68. Guys, you are paying for these tools because they are third-party tools and they are required in setting up your account. Actually, Yoonla is supposed to be $297, but currently it is free to join Yoonla. All you are paying for are the third-party tools that are used in creating your account for you to start earning. So when you get to step 7, you will be filling in a form. Let me show you that form. You will be filling in a form when you get to step 7. So you will get such a page when you get to step 7. Your name, email, all these information you shall get when you shall get them when you do step 1 to 6. Then in the last step, you will be asked for refer affiliate ID. So you will put these guys. This is what you will put in this final stage. So put these so that you can be in my team and I can actually guide you how to start marketing and making your first dollar online. So guys, it's very easy, just like I've explained. You just have to finish step 1 all the way to 7, and in each step there are videos. There's a video to guide you. In step 2, you'll create an automation account. You'll pay $15 for that. You'll go to step 3, you'll watch the video. Step 4, you'll pay $53, and remember to use the coupon code special 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 for this part, and it will bring the cost down to $53. And when you get to step 7, as you've seen, you'll just be filling in a form with details that I've shown you, and remember to put this refer affiliate ID so that you are in my team. So guys, thanks for watching, and just subscribe to my channel so that you get videos whenever I share them. And all the best as you start your digital lifestyle. So bye bye.